A question asked from interviewer that these are the name given here, and this is actually the type 1, and this is actually the defense values given here. So this is actually defense column. Now you have to calculate water type or more than 60 defense. So this is actually the or condition using here. So I use only or condition to calculate water type or more than 60, as the question is also explaining that the or condition has been used here. So I use or to calculate that. So logical expression 1 which is given here, so I select the type 1 cell, first cell, which is I wrote here water, and then press commas. Now logical expression 2 which is given here, I select the defense first cell and wrote condition greater than 60. So I wrote this to calculate my answer. So first value is false. To calculate all value, I drag this. Now you can see there is few values which is true. So now you can see there is 60 degree greater than 60 or water. So if any condition will true, then it will give answer true.